Okay, let's record it today. How to set up Android notifications. First, we create the folder. We go into the folder, create docomps file, then we copy the configuration file from B, save, take a look at the file, enter our folder, then do comms to start the service. It has been successfully started here. And again, let's map our domain. Then we apply for an SL certificate. Set up force capture GD. Now let's look at the port number. Then using Ginx's reverse proxy, click to confirm. Open the official website of our message notification service. Number of steps. Seeing this page indicates that the deployment was successful. Remember to like this video and follow the comments. Then we use the multi-comments bar-U to run in the background. Okay, that's it for today's video.